Hello, hello teacher. Em, Acá traigo una pequeño video, tres presentaciones que voy a hacer. Mm, Entonces, inicio. Eh, my present person. Em, Hello, my name is Sebastián Felipe Pérez Daza. I am Colombian. I was born in Sogamoso and I live in Sogamoso. I am Joe Man. I am 25 years old. I am not that tall. I like to have short hair. I have a brown age. Okay. Um, I was the father of a beautiful girl uh, at 23 years old, and it is the best thing could happen to me. I love her very much. She is my daughter. Eh, la descripción de un familiar voy a hacer la de my daughter. Eh, my daughter's name is Luciana Gabriela Pérez Olivares. She was born on October 2024, 21, 20, okay, excuse me, 20 and 170, excuse me, at 1:47 am in Sogamoso, Boyacá. Was born weighing the 22.7 kilograms. She is my life. She has beautiful brown eyes and long black hair. She has a beautiful smile. She is resilient and loves to play. En la rutina de un familiar voy a presentar a mi esposa, mm, my wife, Julie Olivares. She is my wife. Am, la rutina de ella inició. She wakes up at 7 am. She cooks breakfast at 8 am. She takes a shower at 8:20 am. She has breakfast at 8:14 am. She was up at 8:55 am. She dressed at 9:10 am. She comes and brush her teeth 9:20 am. She leaves the house. She arrives at work at 10 o'clock. She has lunch at 1 o'clock. She drinks coffee 3 o'clock. She finished work at 5 o'clock. She gets home at 5:15 5 3 30 o'clock. She plays with the girls and 6 o'clock. She has dinner at 77 o'clock. She watches TV and 8 o'clock. She browns her teeth and 9 o'clock. She goes to bed and she leaves at 11 o'clock. Uh, okay, teacher. Bye bye.